Oh darn. Yeah, now you can see how easy it is to make a mistake. So you can only really do this once or twice if you make a mistake. Now in the next 10 episodes, we're going to focus on the Dalek Mutant control center. As usual, we keep our screws in here. We've got a base plate. We have 2 of these. Now they're marked C and D, but they kind of look identical to me. Ah, wait. You can see at the bottom they're keyed and they're different. Okay. Rightio. I'll put these aside and we have these 2 pieces. And we just have to snap them together, I guess. Okay. No screws here. Easy. And now we can see you can literally only put them in one spot. Like so. Let's actually have a look what we're supposed to do. They're going to point outwards, so let's switch them over. Let's put one of you here and one of you here. And then I guess we just have to screw them on the back, which kind of doesn't work like this, does it? All right, let's do it one at a time. Make it a bit easier. One of these screws. Get my trusty screwdriver. The trick is to get the screw on here, and then with one hand try to coax this one in and carefully attach it. All right, now don't over torque. That's it. Nice. Same thing again. You can get them out. Now this screwdriver is not magnetic, that's annoying. Just got to hold it in place just like that. Put them in. Let's see. Oh darn. Yeah, now you can see how easy it is to make a mistake. I don't know if you guys spotted it. You probably did. I did not. I put it in the wrong place. That's all right. So let's do this again. And be careful. I noticed that like everything that is built, it's not threaded. Get out. So you can only really do this once or twice if you make a mistake. So let's look a bit more careful. They have to point outwards. Radio. So let's see. This one should go here. Yep. Now. Should be able to mount this one properly. Okay, that's better. It's a bit like a USB cable. You always have to, always takes 3 tries to get it right. Plug it in. Let's see. They don't make it easy, do they? Okay. And carefully screw it in. Check the positioning. Yep, they don't move. Now we can tighten the rest of the screws. All right, I think that's it for this build. See you in the next one.